Hey, so what's your name and who are you with?
Hey, so I'm Matt. I'm with Protech Knives here at Blade Show West. Looking at a few of the offerings we have for the show. So the main one we brought for the show is the Blade Show exclusive Malibu. It's all black with a mosaic push pin button. These sold pretty fast. We made one of 100. So 100 pieces limited to the show. So Malibu has been our most sold knife for the entire year and the knife of the year as well.
They're pretty popular. I've seen a lot of people with them.
We also came out with some more operators as well. The TR4 with a feather texture, pretty big as well. So completely sterile on a tritium button.
Right in there. Let's see if I can get a nice shot of that.
Sure.
Got it.
Same thing with the Emerson operator as well.
Oh, here we go.
Man, I get it.
So that's so you can find the button in the dark, right?
Definitely. And then the other one we brought to the show were a few new offerings in bronze. So bronze is the new material we've been working with.
So it almost looks like
It falls. It just falls.
A little bit heavier. Patina's a little bit more.
yeah, the attention to detail is very, very good.
I look like a pro with just.
Yeah.
No, I don't. There we go. Wow. This is the Runt, right?
It is. The Run 5 is our new offering.
Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Whoa. Wow. Bronze, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. What are these?
And it wouldn't be a Protech show if we didn't bring our own Ultimate Customs as well. This is the Malibu Investor Collector Knife of the Year. We've only made 10. Full titanium chassis, hand engraved by Bruce Shaw, inlaid with 18 karat gold, blacklit mother of pearl, mosaic mind melt Damascus.
What's that run?
This one is 10,000.
I'm not going to even try touching that. What do we got here with that?
This one's 1,200. No engraving, blue titanium with white pearl inlay.
You picked up on the filters?
I reversed 10
What's that one run?
This one's 1,200.
one from last season, KS too, just aluminum.
Kind of a bargain, right? Kind of
sir.
a bargain.
We've got the lightweight, like,
Oh, wow. What's this?
This one is the aluminum bronze, the same bronze we're running on the other one, but also with hand engraving.
but it's definitely like
It's beautiful.
on the upper end of what I'll carry.
And this one goes for $2,250.
I was just telling the other dude.
That's nice.
Appreciate it.
It's a pretty impressive lineup here
Thanks, sir.
from Protech.
Yes, sir.
All right, happy Blade Show 2021.
Thank you. You guys too.